In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an update to your message board. This process will help you effectively communicate with your team, ensuring everyone stays informed and engaged. So, let's get started by diving right into it. First, you'll want to open the specific project where you'd like to make your post. Doing this ensures your message reaches the right team members working on that particular project. Once you've got your project open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you should be able to spot a tool labeled Message Board. That's your destination for this task. Now that you've found the message board, look for a button that says something like plus new message. Clicking this will set the stage for you to create a new post. This button might have a slightly different name depending on your platform, but it's typically located prominently to make the process easier. Once you've opened the new message window, it's time to start filling in the details. Begin with the title or subject of your message. It's crucial to keep this clear and concise because it sets the tone and expectation for the content that follows. Think of it as your headline. Make sure it succinctly conveys the essence of your update. Moving on to the message body, this is your canvas to elaborate on the details. Include all the necessary updates, any relevant details, and don't forget to provide links or attachments that might help clarify your message further. The more comprehensive you are in this section, the better you can avoid misunderstandings and follow-up questions. Some message boards offer you the option to categorize your post. If yours does, this can be a handy way to organize messages and make them easier to find later. Although this step is optional, it's something worth considering, particularly if your board contains numerous posts or covers various topics. You'll have the opportunity to decide who gets notified about your new post. You can choose to notify everyone involved in the project, or perhaps just specific individuals who need to know this particular update. Make this decision based on the importance and relevance of the message to different team members. After you're satisfied with the content of your message and you've set your notification preferences, it's time to finalize your post by clicking Post or Create Message, depending on what your platform calls the button. This action will make your message live on the board. Once posted, remember that this platform is interactive. Team members can engage with your message by commenting or replying beneath it. This interaction can be incredibly valuable, as it allows for ongoing conversation and clarification right there on the board, if needed. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to post an update on your message board. This simple, yet effective tool is designed to enhance team communication, so make the most of it to keep everyone on the same page and working efficiently.